kids, did you ever want to be a doctor? Let's draw a medical kit. We're going to start with, can you guess what it is? Yes, that's right, it's a syringe. Let's paint it in brown. And some blue for the liquid inside it, all the way down to the bottom of the compartment. And how about brown at the end too? And let's draw on some lines for our measurement. Some long lines and some shorter lines too. Wow, that's a brilliant syringe. Well done. What next? Oh, I know. Can you guess what it is? Yep, that's right. It's a tablet pot. So we're just drawing the outline of a few different sized tablets in there. Right, let's paint it sparkly purple on the lid. Ooh, lovely. And half of our tablets can be purple too. We just love that colour. Let's do green for the other half of our tablets. And there you have it, a tablet pot. What shall we do next, kids? Yeah, what a great idea! A stethoscope! Have you ever tried using one of these? Let's do turquoise for the middle and the end parts. Lovely! How about some gorgeous green? Ooh, that does look lovely and mermaidy. And some red. What a gorgeous looking stethoscope. You can listen to your heart now. Now what's next in our doctor's kit? Oh, well, we must have a carry bag, of course. If you were a doctor, what things would you put in your doctor's bag? And it must have the medical sign on it, which is a big plus. Let's paint the handle green. It's such a gorgeous, unusual, olive, yellowy green. I just love this colour. Let's do green on the bottom too. Very nice and symmetrical. Now let's do a luscious fuchsia pink for the other parts. Painting around our cross very carefully. Wow, let's do the cross turquoise. Yeah, that really stands out against the other colours. Wow, what a fantastic medical kit bag. What next? A thermometer, of course. No medical kit is complete without a thermometer. Let's start with green colour. Hey, have you ever had your temperature checked when you've not been feeling well? Me too. And purple. Green and purple. Ooh, lovely. And it matches our tablet pot as well. Almost done. Brilliant. Let's put our numbers on there. 36.6 degrees. Perfect temperature. Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!